Indus are fantastic. They're mountain people, humble, polite, lovely, caring, very nice people.
Jennifer Grimes.
I think everyone should come to Pakistan to kayak because the kayaking's world class.
Thanks. Yes. Where are you from?
I'm from England. Your country is very nice. We like it here.
About
Good
this
kayaking.
place?
This place right here?
Yes.
Very nice. It's a good place. You should come to Pakistan. It's good.
Yes.
Scott Robinson from the UK, and I'm here with Tom Rainey, Jenny Crimes, and we're just on a holiday kayaking the Upper Indus. My name is Scott Robinson from the England, just north of London. This is Thomas Rainey over here, and then Jen Crimes. Beautiful part of Pakistan.
Yes.
We came here this morning, and we've loved every moment, and you guys have been super friendly. Vishal, Skardu, the Hunza.
Yeah.
Where else have we been, Rainey? Gilgit, and what's the Shyok and Kaplu.
Yes.
Yeah. I think everyone should come to Pakistan to kayak because the kayaking's world class.
Thanks.
Hello, I am Tom Rainey from Dartmoor, southwest England. I love Pakistan more than any other country in the world. I think everyone should come here. Especially like paratha, unda, chana dal, chola, maj dal. Chai is the best chai in the world. Most beautiful mountains, the people are the best. Love it. This place is unreal.
Any other message that you get people?
I think everyone should come here, go climbing, running, kayaking, drink chai.
Get people?
Yeah, if you're from the UK, get on a flight out to Islamabad, pop up to Skardu, drive up to here. Great holiday. Good bang for your buck. Beach holiday.
About the Indus people,
People of the Indus are fantastic. They're mountain people, humble, polite, lovely, caring, very nice people.
Let's go out. يلا فضل ساعة.
Rivers. The rivers are very good, very powerful.
Powerful?
Yeah, very powerful,
Yeah.
fast, clean, amazing rapids. Very, very friendly, very safe, very welcoming.
So, yeah, potentially the lower sections. This section might be a bit too much. Yeah, there's loads of international people here.
International people?
Yeah. Loads of kayakers come to Pakistan. It's really